iPods. Okay, alright, seriously. I figured since I'm doing an iPod related video, I might as well get this out of the way right now. Yes, there's a channel with significantly more subscribers than me who makes videos about iPods, and yes, I am also making a video about iPods, so therefore I understand your need to point that out, but I've addressed it now, so we're done. Also, I don't know what this is. It won't come off. But, yeah, I actually have a green iPad case with an also old iPad. This is a second gen. So I figured I'd just take advantage of that and use it as a workbench, just like the man DankPods does. But, yeah, today we're talking about iPods. So, this is my iPod video, 30 gig, right here. It works, as you can see. I got it from my grandparents' house a while back, and I replaced the battery in it, and now it's awesome. And I use this as my everyday music device. I just recently started going back into in-person school. I've been online all year. Man, that's been a weird year, but teachers a lot of times won't let you use your phone in class. They couldn't care less about an old iPod. So yeah, I've been using this iPod video every day for listening to music. But it's got a couple issues. It won't actually play any videos. It freezes and it crashes when I try. And like lossless like WAVs also will crash this thing. Only MP3s it'll seem to like to play back. And I also was kind of getting bored of it, so I figured, hey, why don't I just get another iPod? So, introducing the iPod Photo. Now, I'm not going to bore you all with, like, opening it up and unboxing it. Yeah, right here, as you can see, it works just fine. I got it off of eBay. It's a little scratched, especially on the back. But as you can see, it works, and it turns on, and it works just fine. The package got wet on the inside and outside, so I was a bit concerned about that, but it seems okay. We're taking it apart anyway, because, yeah, when I got this thing, the battery was at half charge, and it's already gone down a lot. So, we gotta replace the battery, so we're gonna do that real quick. And, but one thing I'd just like to do before we do that is take a look at the back, because you know how DankPods jokes a lot, or at least has, about people engraving their phone number into the back of these with like engraving on like iPod minis or nanos. But he says scratched it into the back. Someone took that very literally. Please don't text that number. I don't want to end up harassing whoever sold this. And as you can see, the back of this thing's absolutely wrecked. But, you know, whatever. That means I don't have to worry about keeping it in a case. This one's super nice in comparison, so I keep it in a case. I can use this one bare because it's already in pretty crappy cosmetic condition, but it cost me like 20 bucks, so I really don't care. Anyways, it works. And another mysterious thing about it, look, this is why we need to replace the battery. It's gained a bar somehow. Look on the back case right there, behind the scratches, 20 gigs. The photos never shipped with 20 gigs, only the monochrome versions did. And so I have to check. I tested it out. I didn't want to like do a whole big unboxing segment, but I like gotta test. Just, does this thing somehow have a 20 gig drive? It does! Hey Derek, got your iPod now. That's so strange. According to sites, these didn't have that. But apparently it does. Maybe someone upgraded this thing at some point? I haven't heard of any upgrade programs. Someone would have had to do that themselves. Trying to look, and I mean, there's a scratch there. Someone could have been in here before. We'll see soon enough now, because they would have had to get to the screen to do a photo upgrade, and yeah, you know the battery, you know the classic line, someone's been in here, so we'll have to see. But unlike DankPods, I've got proper tools, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. Now, I can't really see it, but off to the side I do have my iFixit Pro toolkit. And I got one of these flat blades here that are great for opening up iPods, so we're gonna try to find a weak point that I can get in here with. Let's try the bottom. And you've got to, like, get it down as well. Like, hang on. Sorry. Here's an iPod video. You can see here, I can really easily get, like, down. And I could pop this thing open in 15 seconds. I mean, I'm not going to all the way. But this looks like it's going to be a little more challenging. Maybe. There we go. Got it on the top. Gotta find a clip. Not there. Not on the hold switch either. But if I can get under, maybe I can go, like, around. Hey, there we go. Now, what it really helps to do is to have two of these. Now, I had a standard kit, but I don't know where it went. Like, I'm looking around my room, and I can't exactly find it. So, we're gonna have to survive with just one here, I'm afraid. But, it shouldn't be too hard. This isn't a 6th or 7th gen. Alright. Under... Oh... Crap. It's already scratched. It's okay. Oh. Oh, we're getting it. That's one clip. Oh, there we go. You'll have a new battery in no time. Hey, there we go. I did actually go up a bit. And, I didn't do too badly, all things considered. Alright. And there we go. That has a little mark in it. I don't know if this has been serviced or not. We shouldn't even need to disconnect this part. Oh, I think someone's been in here. Oh, yeah, oh, the rubber's all... Oh, the rubber's... It's gotten wet. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah. Oh, I think that's actually the proper way. I don't think someone's been in here. But, like, the rubber's gotten, like, all sticky. I mean, that happens over time naturally, but I also see, like, water spots. So, this may have some liquid contamination. So, anyways, this should just pull... out. Ugh, sticky hard drive. But there it is. These are all Toshiba drives, I believe. Oh, my hands. Ah! Hate this. My hand's like all sticky. No. Ugh. Anyways, we gotta remove this board to get to the battery. So, we gotta do that next. Can I lift up this foil? Probably don't need to. We got a bunch of little screws, Torx looking things. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. Like, I always choose the correct size on my first try. How do I always do that? Oh, there's another screw that I missed. I'm really bad at screws in general.
Oh my god, I'm so good at this. Like, I always choose the correct size on my first try. How do I always do that?
I'm gonna lift this up. Like that. The battery cable seems especially long. But yeah, it's about the same size. No adhesive, but I honestly don't care. So, yeah. Plug in the battery. Hey! It works! So now we just gotta make the cable fit, and we can put it back together. So I'll just let it boot up. Well, it's not going to. It's gonna give me a bad drive error, because I obviously don't have a drive. Yeah, actually that's giving me the file. I think that might mean it wants me to restore it with iTunes, but it shouldn't be able to read a thing. It should give me the sad iPod logo. Anyways, now we gotta make the battery fit. I'm gonna squeeze it under the drive. Oh, come on. You don't have to be this way. There we go. It's together. Alright. Hey, there we go. It's probably a bit cramped in there and not perfect, but hey, we got an iPod that works. So let's see it fully go on. And there we go. Why is the clicker off? Oh yeah, is there any music in here? That's the default. Oh my god, we got stuff. We got trapped. We got trapped. That guy's had a couple controversies. I haven't heard of anyone else other than Trapped. So, do I recognize any of the songs? No. So I'll go ahead and restore this, and then let's get some music synced on here and make sure it can play back stuff. So yeah, we got 17 songs. I want the clicker on, though. Hey, there we go. There we go. Nice. Alright. So this battery's got a good amount of charge in there, so let's go ahead and sync up some music, and then I'll get back. Hey, so remember when I showed you earlier that, like, the guy scratched his phone number into the back of this? Well, he scratched his name too! Hey, Derek. Anyways, I got my iBook G4 here, which I figured was appropriate for syncing an iPod from 2004. This is from 2005. So, I got iTunes. I got some of my library on here. It's a little outdated. I haven't updated it in a couple months, and I've added more music. So, it'll be good as a test, though. So, I gotta get this connected to Wi-Fi, because I do want to do a full restore on here. So, I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so it finished syncing, and now I gotta test to see if it actually plays anything. So, I could use this big speaker behind me that you've seen in the background of a lot of my shots, but unfortunately I can't get it to switch to line out mode. I used to have it working, then I switched it to Bluetooth, now I can't figure out how to switch it back, so I'm just gonna use the headphone jack with my headphones, so sorry about that. Feels pretty weak, but as long as it works. Again, this was cheap. So, let's just play a song. Yep, it works. There we go. Playing a song. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Looks like I have a new iPod to use when I'm out at school. And this one I don't have to worry about putting in a case because it's already ruined on the back. And the front's pretty scratched up too. So, thank you all for watching this shorter-ish video, and I'll see everyone next time.